Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you how long I want my hair to grow out, and in a week or so I'm going to get my hair trimmed so it can grow faster. And yeah, so I already talked to you about all what my hair color is and everything. So yeah. I want my hair at least to be like this long. Hold on. Like that long down right here. So yeah, I think it would be really cute. And then I don't know if I should get a new style or something, so if you guys could just comment like if I should leave my hairstyle this way or get a new style. I don't know, I've always liked the bangs like this, like how they go like to the side and everything. So if I got this hair like that, I really like that style, so I'm just gonna leave it for right now till the tutorial. And then I really want to dye my hair brown, like a light brown with little dirty blonde streaks. I think it'd be cute. Yeah, so now I'm just going to show you how I do the tutorial. I'm just going to move my short bangs over here though. Okay, so I have this clip, or hold on. Sorry guys, my phone's charging. So, hold on. Actually, you can use a pretty flower if you want. I think I'm going to do that just to show you. But usually a bobby pin or a clip like this would help after you're done with the waterfall braid. So what you want to do is you just grab a section right here in the front and you comb it through. And what you do is just braid it into, you get the 3 sections and you just braid it one time. So one time around. So like that. And then, there you go. And then you just add that piece right here to this one. And then you do the braid. Again. And then once you have this is the waterfall. And this may not be appetizing, but I'm putting this in my mouth to hold it. Oh wait, and then you add a piece and do the braid, and then it goes on and on. And then you add the piece to this one. And basically it's just these are the 2 waterfalls. I'm just gonna stop right there. So it's not a long video, but I think it's, on me, I think it's really cuter when I have the straightened, curled hair. And I'm just gonna take this, like flowers like this one, to have the clips on the back. And then, like that. I think it's really pretty, guys. I think you guys should try it. Yeah, so it just basically looks like that. And I hope you guys like this. Comment, like, subscribe.